Hi guys, welcome to online fashion tech classes. Today I am going to teach you 10-inch mechanical figure. Here I have given the details. From this we are going to make. Take 10-inch total length. Top of the line, mark 1 inch as a standing line. In that, draw 2 cm as a sleeping line. Do the same for the below line. Make a box of it. Mark 1.5 inch as a standing line. For shoulder, same as above, mark 4 inch as a sleeping line. From here, I am going to mark this. Hip, mark 3 inch as a standing line, mark 1 inch as a sleeping line. Here I am going to mark 3 inch. I am going to mark 1 inch. Waist, mark 4 inch as a standing line, mark 1.5 inch as a sleeping line. As a standing line, here I am going to mark 4 inch. In that I am going to mark 1.5 inch. Now knee part, but this I will teach you afterward. Then come with leg, mark 9 inch as a standing line. Here I am going to mark 9 inch as a standing line. In that I am going to mark 2 cm as a sleeping line. Now leg 2, mark 10 inch as a standing line, mark 3 inch as a sleeping line. Here I am going to mark 10 inch as a standing line. In that mark 3 cm as a sleeping line. Now I am going to close all the lines from shoulder. For neck, some remaining part is there. Mark, here I have given mark half of the inch. In that half inch, make triangle shape for neck. For hands, make shoulder line big circle. Make hip line small circle. Waist rectangle shape. Now close this all. Already said about the knee part. Now make small round on 6.5 inch. Our measurement croquis is ready, or measurement figure. For more information, connect with us. If you want to see free hand croquis, I am giving the link on I button.